Hey, what's going on? Oh, you know me, I spend all my time on the internet like the technophile that I am. But it pays off because I recently discovered the fresh new method of making money online that I want you to know about. It has incredible capabilities and will open you doors of opportunities to financial stability. Keep on watching because this content will surely benefit you when you've made it to the end of the video. You'll have all the information needed to decide whether to earn up to $200 per day or more, so stick with me and don't skip the video to make sure you don't miss anything. But before we go any further, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's go back to the video. I'm sure by now you're excited to learn this method, but first I'd like to discuss some of its benefits to you. You could be concerned that you don't have the required skills or knowledge to do this approach, but you're in luck because these procedures are suitable for complete beginners and all you need is a phone and computer. So without further ado, let's get started. The first website I'll show you is called Clickbank.com. To begin with, Clickbank has been a wonderful platform with limitless potential for over 20 years. Clickbank has been a dependable global partner for companies looking to expand online due to its high-tech e-commerce solutions, sizable affiliate marketplace, and efficient and sector-leading support and education. It's really simple to get started as an affiliate. All you have to do is complete the registration process once you click the sign up button. When you're done, go to Clickbank Marketplace in order to view this platform as a whole. There are numerous categories on various topics and offers that you may share and promote. You can go through these categories, but in the meantime, here's what I want you to do. Use the search bar, but don't start looking for anything yet. Instead, click on this tiny button right next to the search bar. Click the search button to access the search results page on this website, and as you can see, here are some of the most popular offers that they advertise, which is a major benefit for you since you won't have to go through the time-consuming process of deciding which project and offer are the best. Everything is so simple and Clickbank serves everything up on a silver platter. For example, let's look at this weight loss program here, which is ideal for conscious individuals who care about their weight and health, and this category is currently by far one of the most popular offers. By now, you probably know who your target market should be, and in a second, I'll teach you everything you need to know to fully maximize your earning potential. This offer will be our wonderful moneymaker, and it'll only get better as more people hear about it. So how will you do it? Stay tuned because the solution is just around the corner. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this information valuable and interesting, please leave a comment below. Now let's return to the video. Since you've already chosen a product that's ready for promotion, you can proceed to the next step, which is to spread the word about this fantastic weight loss program. I'd like you to go to this website called Udemy.com. When you first visit their website, you've greeted with the words, "Buy quality advertising today," which is followed by Udemy's brief description of what they do. To summarize, Udemy is a managed solo ad marketplace that connects buyers and sellers who promise an honest transaction between the parties and provide unbreakable protection against time wasters, spam, and fraud. On Udemy, you can gain a lot of traffic, but there is one catch. You need to make a small financial investment to make it work. If you don't want to do it, you may simply skip this step. However, if you have a little more cash, there's nothing to prevent you from doing so. Now I'm here to keep my word and present you with a method that is completely free. I want you to go to warriorplus.com. This website states right away that your profit is their business. Warrior Plus provides a marketplace for owners of digital businesses and online marketers, in addition to the best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform. Without further ado, click this red button that says Free Sign Up to begin the sign-up procedure. The registration procedure is likewise simple, and I'm confident you will be capable of completing it on your own. You may access the dashboard right here once you have successfully signed up for a free account. Now I want you to go to the affiliate section right here and click on offers to view all the deals you can easily take advantage of to help you earn a lot of money online. Once you're on this page, type stock dollars into the search box and hit enter. That's the name of the affiliate offer we'll be using today. As you can see, it has impressive statistics such as over 1,000 sales, an unbelievable 12 conversion rate, and an average click-through revenue of around $5. Okay, now click on a $dollars offer and you'll see why we'll choose it as our affiliate offer. Next, go to the product section and take a look at this one in particular. When I first learned about it, I was shocked that you could earn a commission up to 100%. The fee is often between 20 and 30%, while some sites offer up to 50%. But to be completely honest, this is the first I've heard of an affiliate program that allows you to earn up to 100% commission on the entire price. Moving on, let's talk about Herculist.com, another website where you can acquire free traffic. It's very legitimate. As you can see, they have over 200,000 users from all around the world. You can look around their page at your leisure and gather any information you need because everything is openly available to you on this website. By examining these key advantages, you can see here why Herculist is the best. They have earned the trust of thousands of marketers around the world as a go-to source for internet marketing for almost 20 years. They produce 100% real traffic using email and web marketing. They have effective tools to choose from. They can earn up to 50% commission, and they can get your money in as little as 24 hours. Finally, they provide a sizable network where you may interact with thousands of globally oriented business owners and opportunity seekers. For our bonus website, I want you to visit viralmailprofits.com, which is a viral mailer as well as a uniquely advanced and user-friendly command and control center for all of your mailers. Simply sign up for an account and continue as you did with previous websites. Combining these three powerful traffic-generating platforms can help you reach financial freedom faster. So make the first step now and try it out for yourself. What do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos. And I'll see you in the next video.